D-Day today for Amanda Knox and Raffaele Sollecito, as the judge decided that DNA evidence that was presented at the original trial could be reviewed. Now, this was paramount to the request made by the defence solicitors, and it centred basically on a knife, on a 30-centimetre kitchen knife that was found in the kitchen of co-accused Raffaele Sollecito. And the court had heard at the original trial that DNA from Meredith had been found on the blade, while DNA from Amanda Knox had been found on the handle. Now, at the time in the original trial, the defence did argue that the results were so low that they should not have been admitted into court during that trial, and that formed part of their appeal in this hearing, and the judge ruled that he was going to open that up again and allow two independent experts from the University of Rome, the La Sapienza, to examine that knife and to establish just exactly what DNA was on that knife. He also ruled that a similar investigation should be carried out on a bra clasp. Now, this was a bloodied bra clasp that was found at the murder scene and in Meredith's bedroom, and at the original court trial we heard that DNA from Raffaele Sollecito had been found on that bra clasp, but we also heard how that this clasp had been discovered on the night that investigators went into that room, but then it had been lost for 6 weeks, and his defence argued that it could have been contaminated and flawed, and again should not have been allowed to have been heard as evidence in that original trial. And he granted an independent review to both of those items, and he also reserved judgment on two witnesses. These are both serving inmates who have contacted defence teams to say that neither Raffaele Sollecito or Amanda Knox have anything at all to do with this murder. Now, the judge, when he announced his decision, the verdict was greeted with scenes of jubilation from Amanda Knox's family, who burst into tears, and also from Raffaele Sollecito's family. His father embraced him and hugged him warmly. The judge has now adjourned this until January the 15th, when the appeal will resume.